It's like a family affair for you guys.
Right, family talaga lahat. Brother, sister, papa, mama cheerleader, and yung buong fourth floor sa team. So masaya, masaya. Good.
What are the challenges you encountered?
The heat was so hot. Look,
Oo nga,
Yeah.
yung sunburn.
so yung the heat, grabe yung init. Talagang init talaga eh. So mahirap. Lahat, dapat triathlete tayo, dapat lahat, diba? So, just may mga panahon na, you know, you can't get to train or you don't have to train, so just do something else, just do the relays. It's more relaxing, you can watch everybody get tired and you count. So it's fun also sometimes na mag-relay.
Cebu yung next leg nito eh.
Yes, sir.
Will you be joining yung Ironman race na rin doon?
Yeah, I'll be doing the whole thing. Cebu, I'll be training for that, preparing for that.
You got someone to blame.